Hey, y'all, look, I did the best I can, but things are the way they are. Check this out, y'all. I'm sorry I didn't show y'all. I didn't give y'all the recipe. Please don't be mad. But this is zucchini lasagna stew. That's all I can say, y'all. That's all I can say. Man, don't I love a good lasagna stew? Zucchini lasagna stew. Y'all don't be mad at me. Some things I do cook, I'm gonna have to keep it a secret. All right, y'all. Y'all take care. Oh, give a shout out to Black Snowflake, Rose Gold Lovely, all my fans and all my subscribers. I didn't mean to say fans, but all my subscribers. Mm-hmm. Beverly Palmer and the Palmers. Y'all check that out now.